What you are looking at is the Nambul River lying in the heart of Imphal. Do you believe she has been closely associated with the development of this once princely state of Manipur and a silent witness to what has been taking place on both sides of her banks? If she could speak and express her feelings, she would have raised her voice against the mindless blunder man had committed, threatening her very existence. The present generation will never believe that people settled on her banks once depended on her clean and unpolluted water for drinking, washing and irrigation. This is the Imphal River, one of the major rivers of Manipur. She too runs in the heart of the capital city and has been a silent observer to everything happening on her banks. Her existence is under threat. If she remains neglected, Imphal River might cease to exist. Today is International Day of Action for Rivers and Against Dams. But we have nothing to celebrate as we have failed to protect our rivers. Let us make resolutions on this day to save our rivers for the sake of our future. We need healthy and vibrant rivers for our survival. When we were young, our teachers taught us water is colorless. But look at these rivers. They are absolutely black. Bureau Report, Impact News.